So, hello everyone, welcome to again in TechOrbit channel. So, yesterday class, I already told you about what's the types of the data analysis. Okay, so that four types of, and please make the notes also, so it will be good for you learning all the things like so. In today's session, I will tell you the life cycle of data analysis. Okay, means what is the steps of the analysis. Okay, what is the steps of the analysis I will tell you. So this already I written that here 7 steps of the data analysis we have to do a steps. Okay, so first step is a objective means I will explain what is the first step. What is the meaning of the first step, what you have to do in first step. First step just is a objective means it's just a first is it's just a begin phase of your analysis, which is a most important thing. Okay, so here you have one problem statement. Okay, means suppose how many customers created their account. Okay, that is a problem statement. Okay, objective means the company will give you a problem statements, many more problem statements that company will give you that you have to solve. Then the next step will be the getting relevant data. Means if the problem statement is regarding the customers, so that data should be also of a customers. Okay, suppose you have a customers problem statements, all problem is related to customers, but you have data of product. Product. Okay, so that will be not a relevant data. Relevant data means that data should be appropriate for your problem statement. Okay, so getting relevant data also a part of the life cycle. Then third step is understanding the data. Understanding the data. Okay, understanding the data means now you have data. You have problem statement, you have data. Now you have to understood the data. You have to understood the data means what is data is saying. And if data is not correct, so you can said to the company like, okay, that data is not appropriate according your problem statements, that column is not appropriate from according to your problem statement, please change the data and check again the data. Okay, I want uh, correct data according to that customer. And second thing also, second thing you will know in understanding phase, like all data is good or not. Okay, all the column is, suppose in the problem statement you want to that company want to know how many customers from a daily location. Okay, so for that you need location column also in your data. Okay, but if the location column is not in your data, so you can raise the query. Okay, this data is not containing the location, how I can solve this problem. Okay, so that is the meaning of the understanding the data means all the column rows everything is according to your problem statement is perfect or not. Then fourth number is a data cleaning. Fourth step is a data cleaning and EDA part. EDA means exploratory data analysis. Data cleaning Suppose in data cleaning there is a you got customers data but in a many tables, so you have to do a merging in tables. Okay, that is also a part of the data cleaning. Then suppose you merge the table. Suppose you got the data, and on that data some of the suppose you got income. Okay, income column, income column, that is in not in a int format. Okay, not in a int format. So means handling data type also. Handling data type also means if the customer's name, so customer name should be in a string format. So handling data type also, that is also a part of the data cleaning. Then next is a handling missing values. Handling missing values. Missing values, that is also a part of the data cleaning. Okay, means suppose you you have 10 rows. Okay, you have 10 rows, and in that 10 rows 5 rows in you have 10 customers, but some of the customers location is not location don't have location. Okay, some of the customers don't have their salary amount. Okay, so some values is missing basically from your data. So handling that missing value is also the part of the data cleaning. Then handling outliers. Outliers means suppose you have 10 customers. Suppose outliers is nothing, just like we can say that value is not matching from your table. Suppose you have a customer table. In customer table you have salary column. Every employee salary is 20,000 in thousand range, 30,000. Okay, 15,000, but one of the like that 17,000, 18,000 like that. But one of the employee has salary 1 lakh. Okay, so we can say this is the outlier means that is not matching, that is not a average income according to other customer. There this customer salary is not appropriate. Okay, so that is a outlier means out of the box means that is not matching. Okay, when one value is different from other values, okay, not on that area, so we can say that is a outlier. Okay, that is a outlier. Then we have in cleaning part, or in cleaning part we have to check date. Okay, date and everything, date is also in a good format or not, everything we have to check. Remove unnecessary column, remove unnecessary column. Okay, what is EDA? You all are thinking that word I have taken EDA. Okay, so what is this? So this is nothing, just suppose you have one column, from that column you are creating another column. Okay, suppose uh, you have here date of birth, DOB. Okay, so from DOB you can calculate customer's age. So that is EDA. From one column you are creating another column value, that is a EDA, nothing that. Okay, then next part is a data analysis, that is a main part you are going to do. Okay, that is a analysis. Next part is a and after data cleaning. In data cleaning I already told you many more things you have to do in data cleaning part. Merging data, handling missing value, handling outliers, handling date, also remove unnecessary columns, like that you have to do many more things. Then when you clean the data, after that you have to do a analysis. Analysis means you have to do a lots of thing. Okay, you have to do lots of calculation. You have to do lots of calculation, many more. You have to use many more formulas, many more. Okay, so and find insight from your find the insight from your data. So that is a analysis. That is a analysis. That is a analysis. Then next part is a visualization. The next part is a visualization. When you did the analysis and you have all your insight in a calculation format. Okay, all your insight in a calculation format. Now that calculation you have to convert in that visualization. The next part is a visualization. You have to convert that your mathematical analysis, mathematical insight into that visualization using Power BI. That is the next step. After that, I already told you communication, which is the most important thing. You have to explain your analysis, you have to explain your visualization with the business unit. Okay, so that is the life cycle of analysis, what I am trying to explain you all. Okay, I think now you all good in life cycle, how the process will go. Okay, from first to last, what is the work of data analyst, now you got it, I think. Okay, so that done. Okay, and suppose you are doing analysis, one thing you have to remember. Okay, maintenance. Maintenance means whatever you are doing, that should be a good quality. Quality should be good. Whatever you are doing analysis, you are finding inside that quality should be good. Okay, time. Okay, not should be a large volume, like inside large volume of analysis, large volume of visualization. No. Okay, suppose you are doing analysis and visualization, you have charts. So I think like the year, that database, every database should will have timeline. Okay, what is the timeline? From this data is from 2011 to 2015. Okay, that should be also mentioned in your report. Okay, that is a good practice of a visualization. Okay, everything like a maintenance like important, how your flow is going on with your analysis. Okay, so that is also a very important. Okay, now I think that's done. Okay, now I will huh that is the basically introduction of the analysis. Okay, I done with this. Okay, now next day from tomorrow I will start the Excel part. Okay, so before that, before jumping on that, I want to show you some whatever I told you today, like how what is the data types, data type we have to clean the cleaning. In cleaning part, the data types also is coming. We have to mention, I have mentioned data types, merging tables, missing values, outliers, that all the things I want to show you that thing. Okay, so wait a minute. I will i will wait a minute. Uh, I'm opening my lesson. Wait a minute. Okay, this is okay. Suppose here you can see here, here you can see uh, this is a table 1. Okay, this is a table 1. This is a table 1. This is a table 1, and this is a table 2. Okay, table 1 and table 2. Okay, so I am telling you, like, I have two tables, one table this and one table this. Okay, this is something transaction details table, and this is something store details table. Okay, now first I will told you the merging table. How the what is the merging table? Okay, so here you can see this is a table A, table 1, and this is a table 2. Okay, so when you combine the data from both the table, then it is called a merging the table. Okay, from now, before you have separate table, now you have one table of same data. Okay, that is a merging table, nothing. Okay, suppose when you are doing visualization now, you will do visualization and analysis now. So on that time, what will be happen, the company will give a separate data. Okay, is the company will give a many of the tables, suppose customers 2011 data in different table, 2012 data in different table, 2013 data in a different table. Okay, so you have to merge all the data, then you have to do a visualization. Okay, then checking data types means, okay, in this is a numeric. Okay, the data type should be a integer or numeric value. This is a date, so data type should be in a date format. This is a quantity, that also should be in a integer format. Okay, and this is a in a okay, this is a in a text format. The type should be also in a text format. Okay, the price, okay, this is also in a integer format or a float format. Okay, this is a something category, that is also in a something text or in string format. Okay, that is a means fund checking the data types. Okay, then the missing values, as I told you already, that some of the value is missing from your data, that is called handling the missing value. When you fill all this, well fill you when you fill this all the boxes, then it will be called you handle the missing values. Okay, outliers, I told you, when the value is out of from other values. Okay, that values is not matching from other values. Like here you can see quality 2132 like that, but here suddenly is quality is 100. Okay, quantity is 100. So now you can see the 100 is a outliers, means that is a mistakenly here someone is printed, here something should be a 213. Okay, checking string character means, okay, this is the string character, like that. Okay, visualization, I told you the visualization part. This is the visualization, someone did something visualization, I will told you everything, I will told you in Excel how we do a visualization. Okay, that's I want to show you in a little bit. I will attach that Excel file, you can also just look into that, what I am trying to say. Okay, just little bit, I just briefly I explain this, I will elaborate this also in upcoming lecture. Okay, so from next day I will tell you I will start Excel. Okay, Excel every part means Excel is huge. Okay, like there is a different department where we are using Excel, but I will teach you how we can use Excel in data analysis. Okay, everything in visualize using Excel, how we can do a visualization, that also we can, I will tell you. Okay, so um, for today that's it. Just to revise all the things, all the definition, because whatever I told you, that all the basic that you have to know, like what is, suppose you want to become a doctor, so you have to know about that now, what doctor is doing, what is the work of the doctor, that I told you, like what is the work of analyst, how they are processing that analysis work, that I told you. Now the next I will tell you the Excel part. Excel part I will start one by one everything. Okay, so be prepared and download Excel. If you if you don't have Excel, please download like that. Okay, this here you can see all the chart, I will tell you everything, how we can create chart and how we can insert the data, like that everything I will tell you, every here conditional format I will tell you, each and everything, how is this working, this function, how this function, every function I will tell you. Okay. Okay, so for today's, that's it. Okay, bye bye for today. We will meet tomorrow and we will start Excel. Okay.